tubing.biz. Here is a 40-watt soldering iron. Here is a 40-watt soldering iron that you can get on my dad's website. Here is another 40-watt soldering iron that you can get on my dad's website. This one is a 60-watt soldering iron that you can get on my dad's website. And if you want to do things big, a minute here. And if you want to do things big, then you should get the 120 watt on 150 watts on my dad's website.
Heavy duty.
And it's a heavy duty. Goodbye. And
Tubing.biz.
And tubing.biz is the website you should go on to get all these soldering